Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shoulder over your wrist. हाँ, अब बस spine move करना. Inhale. Exhale. ऊपर उठेगा पेट. Touch your chin to your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Touch your chin to your chest and hold. यहाँ पे hold करो. 1. पेट अंदर खींचो. 2. लाइट लेना नेहा जी. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Release. नेक्स्ट वार्म अप की तरफ जाएंगे. स्टैंडिंग ऑन द मैट. ठीक है. Inhale arms up. Exhale, bending your leg at the knee in Malasana and slowly hold Malasana for 2. After Malasana, then slowly moving your both hands to high plank and holding high plank for 2. Inhale, right leg to the front, coming to high lunge. It's up to you. Low lunge, left knee down. अगर आपको लगता है you want to do high, you can uplift your left knee up and hold for 2. Then slowly by placing your both palm down, come up. लेफ्ट लेग को डायरेक्ट बाहर सामने लाएंगे. अगर टच होता है कोई नहीं. ठीक है. सो ब्रिंगिंग योर लेफ्ट लेग टू द फ्रंट एंड स्टैंडिंग ऑन द मैट होल्डिंग योर वेस्ट. यहाँ से नी का रोटेशन करेंगे. 1 2 क्लॉकवाइज एंड 1 2 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सेम वे लेफ्ट लेग बैक, बोथ हैंड्स डाउन. रिवर्स में कमिंग टू हाई लंज और लो लंज 2. रिवर्स में गोइंग टू हाई प्लैंक 2. रिवर्स में going to Malasana 2 and then stand on your mat. Okay. And second round में जैसे राइट अभी आगे गया था, लेफ्ट लेग आगे जाएगा. आगे नहीं है यहाँ पे. इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ आराम से. While uplifting your leg up, वंदना जी एंड पीयूष जी ध्यान से करना. नहीं लेग अपलिफ्ट होगी तो जस्ट आप होल्ड करके उसको होल्ड करके रखना. रोटेट मत करना. ऐसे जस्ट होल्ड करके रखना. ठीक है. चलो. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your leg at the knee, going to Malasana. 1 2. Both hands down. Start walking. Come to high plank. Shoulder over your wrist. High plank में legs और पीछे जाएगी साक्षी. Hips down. Hold. 1 2. Right leg between your both palms. Optional left knee down or left knee up. इतना ऊपर नहीं होता. This is warrior. बहुत नीचे होता है left knee. Otherwise left knee down. Inhale, arms up and hold for 2. Left knee ऊपर कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आरुषि आप भी. 1 2. Both hands down. Slowly shift your body weight on your palm. Bring your left leg to the front. Inhale. हवा में hold your waist. Right down, left up. And start. 1 2. Opposite. 1 2. Slowly both hands down. Take your left leg back. Inhale, arms up in high lunge or low lunge. Knee down, low lunge. Knee up, high lunge. And hold. Hips आगे. 1 2. Both hands down. Take your right leg back. High plank. Looking in front. Hips more down. 1 2. Now slowly walk backside and sitting in Malasana. Legs apart. Join your both palm in front of your chest. Sitting in Malasana. 1 2. Inhale, arms up. Stand on your mat. Exhale, bend your leg at the knees, sitting in Malasana. Both hands down, start walking and come to high plank. Wrist over your shoulder. Walk, walk and hold for 2. 1 2. Left leg between your both palms. Inhale, arms up. Low lunge or high lunge, optional. 1 2. Both hands down. Bring your right leg to the front in the air and hold your waist. And move your knee clockwise. 1, 2. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2. Mat पे मत रखना. Take it back. Both hands down. हाँ, जाओ आरुषि. Inhale arms up, low lunge or high lunge. Inhale arms up and hold. 1, 2. Both hands down. Take your left leg back, high plank. Hold. 1, 2. Now start walking back, going to Malasana. 1, 2. Inhale, leg straight. Arms up. Exhale, bend your leg at the knee in Malasana. Both hands down, start walking to high plank. High plank में legs only shoulder width apart, not more than that. From high plank, all of you add variation here. Go to Chaturanga. जितना जा सकते हो arms को bend करके go to Chaturanga. हाँ, arms को धीरे धीरे bend करो. हाँ, धीरे धीरे. Inhale, come up again to high plank. Shoulder over your wrist. High plank. Right leg between your both palms. Going to high lunge or low lunge. Knee down, low lunge, high, knee up, high lunge. Arms up. Arms up. 1, 2. Both hands down. Now bring your left leg without touching to the mat in the air. Hold your waist. And 1, 2. Opposite. 1, 2. Without placing your left leg down, सीधा पीछे. Left leg back, both hands down. Inhale, arms up, high lunge or low lunge. Knee up, high lunge. Or knee down, low lunge. Optional. 1, 2. Both hands down. Take your right leg back, high plank. Hold. Wrist over your shoulder. 1, 2. Walk back slowly, going to Malasana. Join your both palms, hips down. Inhale, legs straight, both arms up. Last round. Exhale, bend forward, bend legs bend at the knee, going to Malasana. Both hands down, start walking, walk, 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 coming to high plank. Hold for 2, 1, 2. Bring your left leg to the front. Right knee up, high lunge. Left. 1, 2. Both hands down. एक बार चतुरंगा करो. चतुरंगा रह गया यहाँ पे. Bend your arm at the elbow. Left leg पीछे ले जाओ. चतुरंगा. चतुरंगा. Inhale, come up to high plank. Now again left leg to the front. High lunge, left knee up करने की कोशिश करो सभी. Arms up and hold for 2, 1. Arms up. 2. Now from here, come up, bring your right leg to the front without placing it down. Hold your waist. And 1, 2. Opposite. 1, 2. नीचे मत रखना. Take it back. Directly take it back. Inhale, arms up to high lunge. Don't place your right knee down. 1, 2. Both hands down. Take your left leg back, high plank. 1, 2. Go back with your palms. Walk back, sitting in Malasana. वापिस में आके चतुरंगा नहीं कर रहे. फर्स्ट राउंड में भी वापिस में आके नहीं. 1, 2. Legs straight, both arms up, and sit in Shashankasana, 5 to 7. Remain. Breathe in and breathe out. 1. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Breathe in and breathe out 6.